Here's how you can add a YouTube info card quickly and easily to all of your YouTube videos. Hello TubeBuddies! Adding YouTube info cards is a great way to help your existing content while using a YouTube recommended feature. With our Star Bulk Copy Cards tool, you can easily add cards to all of your YouTube videos and help your videos earn more views. If you don't know what cards are, don't worry. We already have a video on how you can add YouTube info cards on screen, and you can check it out using that card. A card being used in a video about cards. See? They're pretty useful. Anyway, once you watch that video, be sure to come back to this video so you can learn how to bulk copy cards to all of your YouTube videos with TubeBuddy. Speaking of TubeBuddy, click the TubeBuddy drop-down menu and then select Videos to be taken to the channel's Videos page. Here's where you'll see our bulk features, which you get with the TubeBuddy Start level. If you've never had a free trial of TubeBuddy, keep watching until the end to learn how to get one. Moving on, under bulk cards, you'll have three options: copy, update, and delete. Copy cards allows you to copy cards either from a card template or from a recent video, and apply that card/cards to all of your videos. The update cards option will replace the card's URL, title, teaser text, or call to action to something newer. Finally, delete cards lets you delete all cards based on your choice. Only delete cards with a certain URL or cards that contain a certain teaser text. The copy, update, and delete options in bulk is one of the reasons why we have this screen when you first install TubeBuddy. It's so that we can make the changes that you request. Again, we won't change anything that you don't tell us to do. If you want more information about that screen, be sure to check out that card on this screen. 2 cards out of 5. How many cards can we put in one video? Well, it's limited to 5, but I think that was supposed to be more of a joke. Got it. Heading back to the copy option, copy cards can be very useful to add cards quickly and easily to your videos. If you've made a card template for your average view duration drop-off point, then you can add a card to that spot across your videos. This lets your card recommend another piece of your content before a viewer leaves the video, giving you another chance to earn more views. To find your average view duration, click on Analytics on the left-hand side. Once in Analytics, select your analytic date range. We'll choose the last 90 days. However, if you're a newer channel and don't have this much data, choose the highest date range available to you. From here, click on Engagement and you will see your average view duration. With that in mind, you can create a card at this time in a video and then bulk add it to all of your videos. Now that we know on average where people stop watching our videos, let's go ahead and bulk add a card there. On the channel videos page once more, we'll select copy. Under bulk cards, we're going to choose our updated card template for average view duration. But if you notice under that, you can have a card template that links to your store or your merch page. This can be useful to help you earn more money using your videos. Keep in mind though, to add a card to your website, it has to match the official website that you select on YouTube. Speaking of selecting, on step 1 of bulk copy cards, we'll select our AVD template and then hit continue. Step 2 is to click on the cards you want to copy to all of your videos. In our template, we only have one, so we'll have it selected. But here is the screenshot on how this would look if you have multiple cards. Once you're done with step 2, we'll continue to step 3. Step 3 covers which videos you want to copy the selected cards to. You can choose to see a full list of all of your videos or load an amount that you select under it. This is how you can add a card to all of your videos within seconds. But maybe you don't want to do that. Maybe you only want to add a card to 3 specific videos. Here, we'll show you how to do that. You can copy their IDs at the end of your video's URL like so. For multiple videos, be sure to add a comma between the video IDs. You could add this card to all of your videos within one of your playlists. All you have to do is copy and paste your playlist link here. Finally, we show a list of videos that match the search phrase you enter below. Let's say we want to target all the free tool videos with this card. This would show all of the free tool videos by entering this search phrase. Speaking of all videos, for this video, we'll select to see TubeBuddy's full list of videos. This takes us into step 4, selecting the specific videos to add cards to. On this step, we now offer filtering options in the top right-hand corner. Show all videos, only public videos, only unlisted videos, only private videos, public and unlisted videos, and finally, private and unlisted videos. We're going to choose only public videos. However, you might decide to bulk copy cards to private and unlisted videos if you have a Patreon or you're a part of the YouTube membership program. The reason you'd add cards here is to keep your older Patreon/YouTube membership videos up to date with newer information. So if someone pays to support you, you can show them your newer videos easier. Speaking of easier, if you want to customize the card teaser for each video, you can select Customize here to easily customize each card per video it's shown on. Once you're happy with how your cards are looking, you can select All by clicking All here. Above that, you can see how many videos you're adding cards to. Under this is None, and this lets you deselect all the videos. Although, since we want to add cards to all videos, we'll select All again and then hit Continue. This takes you to the final screen before copying your cards. It verifies that yes, you want to continue to bulk copying. It also gives you additional options to delete all cards from destination videos before copying, the ability to convert placeholders into URLs, skip videos that already have card elements. Since we have hundreds of videos with cards already, we're going to choose to skip videos that already contain card elements and go ahead and add them to videos that have no cards already. Now, let's start bulk copying cards. Here, you can see my cards are being added to the videos one by one. The more videos you have, the longer this tends to take, but this process can save you hours to days depending on the number of videos you have. Are you adding cards right before when viewers stop watching your videos? Let us know in those comments down below. Do you want to learn about that TubeBuddy free trial we mentioned earlier? Then you can check out that video that's on screen. I'm Andrew Cam from TubeBuddy. Now go out and add cards in bulk to all of your YouTube videos.